Welcome to my online presentation class.
Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my today's online presentation class. Here presenting myself, Sonia Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Let's start with my today's online presentation class.
Today I am going to discuss about chapter number 2, session number 2, that is poultry farm. First of all, you have to know about learning outcomes of this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to know about definition of poultry farm, types of poultry farm and definition, consideration points for establishment of poultry farm, about brooder house, and finally about litter. Now, it's time to know about the definition of poultry farm. Very much important definition for your exam. The definition of poultry farm is scientific rearing of birds by supplying special food, taking cares, giving protection, selling products and taking account of income or loss is known as poultry farm. I again say scientific rearing of birds by supplying special food, taking cares, giving protection, selling products and taking account of income or loss is known as poultry farm. Now it's time to know about types of poultry farm. There are mainly two types of poultry farm. One is commercial poultry farm and another is family poultry farm. First of all, you have to know about the definition of commercial poultry farm. When we establish a farm, commercial is called commercial poultry farm. And when we establish a farm in our houses for meeting family demand and also for getting some income by selling extra products is called family poultry farm. That means the place where we rear bird is called poultry farm. At present, total number of poultry farm in our country is almost 1 lakh. Hares farm, ducks farm, pigeons farm, quails farm, goose farm, etc. These are the examples of poultry farm. Now, the main important portion of this lesson. Consideration points for establishment of a poultry farm. There are some points. First of all, amount of capital and source. Obviously, for establishment of any kind of farm, capital and source is must needed. So, this is the most important part of this consideration points for establishment of a poultry farm. Secondly, site selection and land selection. It should be far away from the locality, free from flood, proper communication system, availability of pure water, electricity and labor, demand of market. Area should have well coverage and drainage system. Farm area should be well ventilated. This is the all about for site selection and land selection. Obviously, housing also must needed. For 200 layer bar, size of the house will be 20 feet into 10 feet. For keeping one layer bar, 1 square feet place is required. House can be made of straw, bamboo, wood and just stick, but it should be long enough and protective. Now, supply of electricity. Obviously, electricity supply is needed for establishment of a poultry farm. And without any kind of electricity, the poultry birds can hamper the many lots of problems. Now, supply of pure drinking water. For giving or health management, pure drinking water can be supplied in the poultry farm, and this Drinking water must be very much important for establishment of a poultry farm. Now, demand of eggs and meats. Demand of eggs and meats must be needed. In this poultry farm can be established in any kind of area where the demand of eggs and meats is very much essential, and the transportation or communication system also very much good. So communication system is very much important point for establishment of a poultry farm. Now another most important point, that is availability of improved breed. Obviously, improved breed must be needed for establishment of a good poultry farm. It is a brown, high sex, white, etc. or cross brown, glorious, etc. variety can be needed for establishment of a poultry farm. Without improved breed, we cannot get any kind of good poultry birds from poultry farm. So, improved breed must be needed for getting higher marketing value. Now, availability of balanced feed. What do you mean by balanced feed? Balanced feed is such a feed where lots kinds of nutritions must be present in that feed, such as protein, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, etc. and water can be needed or present in that of balanced feed. After 3 hours of releasing birds, we need to supply 500 grams of wheat bran or rice bran for 200 birds. Pure water should be supplied for preventing waterborne diseases for first 21 days. For purifying water, 6 grams bleaching powder should be mixed with 1000 hour water. For 60 bars, water should be supplied for 3 to 4 times of layer, which length is 3 feet. This is all about, and some food management is from first week 0.60 liter water per day, second week 0.95 per liter water per day, third week 1 liter water per day, fourth week 1.36 liter water per day, fifth week 1.36 liter water per day, and finally for adult 4.6 liter water per day. So this is for balanced feed. Now suitable living place. Obviously, living place must be suitable, and this place must be far away from any kind of locality, and obviously this living place is free from flood and high place is much needed. Now prevention of diseases. Diseases can make any kind of poultry birds a great harmful effect. So prevention of diseases must be needed. Outsiders are not allowed to expire into the farm. Separate diseases from birds. Diseased birds. Dead birds should be burned. Use specific doses for the farm. Food should be cleaned, or food pot should be cleaned out by using germinal before enter. Vaccination should be needed. Farm should be cleaned regularly, and feeding pan and water pot should be clean. So this is all about the prevention of diseases. Now marketing. Marketing is most important portion of this points for establishment of a poultry farm. So marketing must be also needed, and for kind of marketing this poultry farm we can get a great earn of foreign exchange from poultry farm. Now account of profit and loss. Obviously, profit and loss must be accounted for establishment of a poultry farm, and this is also very much important for these points. And finally, proper management. Proper management obviously must be needed for kind of establishment of a poultry farm, and water management, feed management, prevention of diseases also very much important and should be followed very much carefully. This is all about consideration points for establishment of a poultry farm. Now, most important question for your exam is what is brooder house, or what do you mean by brooder house, or what is the main function of brooder house, etc. So this portion is very much important for your exam. So you should read attentively this definition and the functions and activities of brooder house. Brooder house. Brooder can be made of wood, hard board, or tin. About 200 to 250 chicks can be kept under a brooder having 1 meter circumstances. Brooder house can be made of straw, roofing, and bamboo made from fencing. Electric heated bulb, kerosene lamp, and hazard can be used for supplying temperature artificially. It is necessary to make one surrounding with 45 cm high bamboo made mat or hard board 75 cm away from the brooder so that the chicks cannot go away. The surrounding is called chick guard. The area is to be enlarged as the chick guard up for 200 birds. 18 square feet meter space is necessary. So this is the brooder house, and size of for cage system, size for cage for 3 layer birds, and 18 into 12 into 19 inch. Cage can is different types where the birds age is 3 to 4 months. Then we mix to keep the chicks in cages. So this is the all about for brooder house. Now it's time to know about litter. Litter is called bed of poultry. I can say litter is called bed of poultry, which is very much essential needed for your exam question. Most important question for your exam. What is litter, or what do you mean by litter? It is made of rice husk, sawdust, straw, or sugarcane threshes. Thickness of litter is 1.5 to 2 inch. Humidity is 20 to 25%. Soft, comfortable, wet, light, can absorb most part, and inter material should be easily available. Litter should be turned once in a week. For example, the temperature must be needed for litter and brooder house. When we release the birds in the brooder house, that time we should maintain 35 degrees centigrade temperature during winter and 25 degrees centigrade temperature during summer. In 7 feet circumstances, brooder house 3 to 4 electric bulbs containing 100 bulbs is needed. And in case of litter, this is also very important point. And for supplying heat, and this is the method for supplying heat to the birds from 1 day to 21 days. If the chicks are found in a gather-like cluster near this house, then it is to be understood that the temperature is low. If the chicks are found throughout the whole houses, then it is to be understood that the temperature is okay. And the chicks are found away from this house, then this is to be understood that the temperature is high. See, this is all about the litter. Now some other factors. There are temperature, light, prevention of diseases, and food management. First of all, you have to know about the temperature. When you release the birds in the brooder house, that time we should maintain 35 degree centigrade temperature during winter and 26 degree centigrade temperature during summer. In 7 feet circumstances, brooder house 3 to 4 electric bulbs comparing 300 or 100 watts is needed. So this is the all about temperature. Some more things is, if chicks are found together the cluster near the brooder house, then it is to be understood that the temperature is low. If they are throughout the whole houses, then it is okay. And the chicks are found away from the brooder, then it is to be no, called as temperature is high. So this is all about the temperature. Now light. 23 hours light is needed per day. If daylight is only for 10 hours, then we need to maintain it artificially by using electric bulb. This is all about the light and prevention diseases. Disease can make harmful effect on poultry birds. So disease prevention method should be needed. I have discussed before about prevention of diseases. Diseases are not allowed and enter into the farm. Separate disease birds. Dead birds should be burnt. Use specific dress for farm. Food should be cleaned by using canicule. And obviously vaccination should be needed. Farm should be cleaned regularly. Feeding pot and water pot should be cleaned regularly. And finally, food management. Very much important portion. Food management. Food chart are wheat or maize bran, rice husk, soybean meal, threshed fish meal, dried fish meal, and shell powder, salt, vitamin, mineral premix, etc. And this is for food chart of this food management of poultry farm. And obviously egg-laying box must be needed. For case rearing, egg-laying box is not needed, but for litter or fiber system, one egg-laying box is needed for 4 to 5 parts. Size of the box will be 1 feet. The box should set up before 2 weeks of egg laying. So this is all about for some other factors of poultry farm. Thanks to all for patience hearing.